Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome in KZ Kitchen. Friends, you have eaten different types of fried rice. Today I'm gonna make for you Arabic fried rice. I have made this recipe very simple for you, so you could make at your homes easily. Inshallah Tala, you will like this recipe also, and definitely you will try at your homes. So let's start the recipe. First of all, I will take some butter in a wok. I'm using Nestle Milk Packs butter because it's very good in taste. I have taken 1 or 2 tablespoons. Now I'm gonna fry my dry fruits. I have pistachios, almonds and cashews. I'm frying these dry fruits first so our butter could fragrant it. Now take them out. Now I'm gonna fry my black raisins just for 5 to 7 seconds so these could puff little bit. Now add 2 tablespoon butter further for our baghar, and I'm gonna add whole spices, green cardamom, bay leaves, cinnamon stick and some cloves. Fry these. In the place of butter, you can use definitely oil or ghee. Now I will add sliced onion. It's 1 large onion. Saute well. And also I will add my some boiled veggies. Half cup boiled peas and half cup boiled carrots and some fresh coriander. At this time I am adding 1 tablespoon. Also I am adding 1 cube of Knorr chicken cube and 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon white pepper and also 1 teaspoon salt, but I will use less amount of salt because I have added Knorr chicken cube. It's already seasoned. Let's stir and saute well. I used Knorr chicken cube. If you don't have, so you can use chicken broth or stock. Now I am adding my fried or roasted dry fruits in it, which I separated. Here I have boiled rice, 2.5 cup. I am using basmati rice. Just add in it and also add some salt for your rice. Now mix this gently and continuously mix about 2 to 3 minutes. Now it's time to serve our dish. There you go, friends. We have made delicious, healthy and beautiful, good looking Arabic fried rice which we made only in 4 to 5 minutes. These are so easy to make and very tasty to eat. Okay viewers, see you soon. Till then, Allah Hafiz.